Yo, what's good, y'all? So, got the Bizike and the Bizak, you dig? But we got some bad news. Basically, YouTube decided to ban wheelies. You know what I'm saying? They're not paying you for riding on the streets anymore. You can still wheelie or whatever, but you can't ride in the streets. So essentially, everything I record while I'm riding or whatever, all I do is wheelie. So everything that I record or whatever is banned. So I'm in the middle of figuring out what exact content I want to put out. Of course, I still do other stuff, and like I told you guys before, I really don't talk about my life or, you know, do any of that, but my life's pretty nice. So I'll probably start putting that out more if y'all like that. And yeah, so, but I'm gonna go ride right now. So I'm gonna go ride right now, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm a rider before I'm a YouTuber. So I rode the bike before I had a YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go get on the bike right now, and I'll probably just start putting clips in, like see how long of a clip I can put in without getting demonetized. So it'll be a change. I'll be testing out a few different things, but content ain't gonna stop, just know that. For sure he was about to flip that motherfucker. Oh shit, my fault. Pussy boy. You coming out or what?
Probably not.
Alright, see you later, man. Hey, this is the cleanest FZ in the city. This bitch clean. Shit. Clean. This bitch ain't never even thought about touching the asphalt. I'm talking about the sides and shit. Do you wash it ever? Today? Well, sheesh, a month ago? everything is clean. Chips going steady. Yes, sir, it's up. You know what I'm saying? On my way to Detroit, Michigan. For those that don't know, I'm on my way to Detroit, Michigan. I'm in this loud ass van. I'm about to put like subtitles or something over this shit. But y'all know the vibe, man. Got that bitch in the back, you dig? Fuck you, me. Fuck you, me. Fuck you, me. Like, nah, but I'm outside though. It's finna be hella banshees and shit. I ain't gonna put y'all on the helmet because, you know, they don't like when niggas street ride with the helmets and you know what I'm saying? They don't like all that, so I'm gonna throw y'all, I'm gonna get some good footage for y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be hella banshees. About to be hella 450s. Hella 250, hella 125, hella 85, you know what I'm saying? It's about to be lit. Don't worry about it. We on the way though. Detroit! Sheesh. I just touched down in that D. But it look different out here. Nah, I fuck with it though. But I'm just waiting on my peoples, you know what I'm saying? Slide through. Got a crazy pimple on my face. Like, I can't even. That joint. It's going down now. The joint is crazy though. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a moment. We at the Coney.
This was my church, I'm volunteering.
Oh. French toast and cake, you dig?
We turn Miami to Miami. We do this for that and she in it. She ready to get it. I'm throwing them to get it. I'm cutting shit up like a shit.
To the back of the Vizian, filling up Giz ass. It's a night over, man. It was a great night. Detroit, I love y'all, man.
Chronic pain can often be related to suppressed emotions. Dr. Kim Durama, physician.
See, I be living over here. What that is? 2 fizzles on a Bizet? What that is? A banshee? I spot my little eye of banjo.
But I'm in the streets. I'm selling drugs, ain't giving no love. I'm thinking that you wanna leave. You saying you good, but when I come back, you wanna think you want.
$60, man. It's what, 1 in the morning? $61. Damn, what time is it? Sheesh. Tired as fuck, y'all.
If I go today, I want the nigga die, go find them. They gon' swing the band with them chops.